In this video, I'm going to talk about the differences between the small and the medium because I've been looking online for duffel bags that I can travel with, very durable, very rough, rugged. I can take on camping trips and I can take hiking. The North Face is the cheaper brand of bags that I found that are very durable. Not specifically for video and photography use, but I wanted to use it to hold everyday things, just my regular clothes, and then possibly fit in camera and equipment gear wrapped up into sweaters or blankets and stuff. And I haven't seen any other reviews of the Basecamp duffel, at least comparing the small to the medium, anywhere online, so I thought I'd just make one myself because I bought two of them. It's a noticeable difference to me from the medium to the small. The medium is supposed to be a 71 liter. The small, I'm guessing it's between 40 and 50. But you could fit the small inside of the medium. That's how big the medium is. The medium is a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. And it seems like it's the exact same bag, but there are a few things that are in the medium that the small does not have. One thing that the medium, before I get into the features of the medium, one of the things that the small has that the medium does not have is this side zipper pocket right here. It's not very large, but you can put in some accessories, other headphones that can fit in here, maybe a small jacket, but other than that, you can't fit in shoes or anything, maybe slippers on this side, but the medium does not have that. I like the really thick zippers here. Features common with both bags are these backpack straps that are removable. You can convert these duffel bags into a backpack. And look at that space. It's just one giant area here. And it looks to be water and weather resistant. Here's the mesh pocket. There's another clip up here. You can clip your glasses or another pouch, wallet. Here's where you can put your identification. This side you got nothing, but there are grips on all four corners of the bag. Back here too. And that's all she wrote. That's as much as you get with this bag. Now with the medium size, a few things that are not in the small size. One which I didn't really, I wish it was in the small size, but you have these main straps here to carry the duffel, where you do not have with the small. I don't know why you don't have these main straps for the small. You would think you would need these straps for the duffel, but it's not in the small. This side, you get the same very thick zippers. Got even more space, so this is officially 71 liters in there. On this side you have a little mesh pocket. You do not have this mesh pocket inside with the small. Zippered compartment up here with the same clip that you can clip wallets. And here you have a big space inside. And then the other difference with between the small and the medium is that you have a larger side pocket that will fit shoes. Not boots, but it will fit a nice pair of shoes in this side, or a jacket. You have two handle straps on either side, and then these longer straps. So on the small, instead of these straps, you just have those handles, which I don't really like. And then you have straps here where you could put in a tripod or other jackets and then cinch them down. And you have a lot of other areas here where you can fit other accessories and gear. If you're a mountain climber or a hiker, adventure sports, this is a perfect bag for you. For me, I'm using it as a supplementary bag for all of my non-video and film essentials. But like I said earlier, I can fit in gear if I wanted to. This is a perfect spot to throw in a tripod. If you're gonna wear it as a backpack, the medium is a little too large, in my opinion. It's like wearing a gigantic camping, hiking backpack with those frames. That's what the medium is like. I feel like it's just way too big to be worn as a backpack. The small, on the other hand, perfect size for a large backpack for most people under 6 feet.